Top 5 most expensive presidential firearms ever sold. Real auction prices. Number 5, John F. Kennedy's M1 Garand, $149,500. Number 4, Theodore Roosevelt's Fox F grade shotgun, $862,500. Number 3, Theodore Roosevelt's engraved Colt single-action army, $1,400,000. Number 2, George Washington's saddle pistols, $1,986,000. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like. Number 1, Ulysses S. Grant's pair of Remington new model Army revolvers, $5,170,000. Which of these pieces of history would you display in a museum? Comment and follow Money Ranks S.